Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you your options about sounds, effects and quality on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. From the main screen we have to go to the settings and then to sounds and vibration. We have to choose sound quality and effects, and here you can turn on or turn off Dolby Atmos for gaming, and your adapt sound. And if you want to do more, you can click on this option and make it auto, movie, music, voice. About Dolby for gaming, you can turn it off and on. And on adapt sound you can of course we have to allow, and here you can change your options. And that's all about your options about sound quality and effects. If you like this video, let's search for our other videos about Galaxy A55 5G to know more about your phone, and let's see each other in one of these videos. Bye!